Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, as we all know, gold is back on track again. Gold is bullish. And the weekly closing always play an important role. And here, a weekly closing above 4600 is very significant. It means that bulls are back in the game again. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position because we can expect the market to be bullish in the next few days as well. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold rises above 4600 on weaker dollar that fears. Gold rallies to 3-month high on weaker dollar bullish technicals. And this is the chart. Okay, so on the left hand side, we have the chart of gold. On the right hand side, we have the chart of US dollar. So when this sharp fall came on US dollar, okay, this was the moment we saw gold going up. As we all know, there was a time, okay, when we used to get candle by candle correlation on DXY and gold. But that candle by candle correlation doesn't exist. But whenever there is a big move on the chart of DXY or US dollar index, we still get the move on gold. So we can clearly see dollar is under pressure right now, and this is one of the key reasons why gold is bullish. So in this situation, we can expect that yes, the pressure on dollar may remain and gold may remain bullish for the next few days as well. This is a reason I told you guys that if you have any ongoing buy on gold, you can hold your buy position because if you remember, when gold was trading around 4,000, the direction of the market was not clear to us. We discussed many times that gold needs to cross 4250 at first and then 4400 so that we get a structural change. Okay, and finally we have the structural change and hope many of you are holding buy positions because gold was very pathetic for the swing traders, but and finally we can see some good moves for swing trading as well. Okay, anyways, I'm a day trader, so I will be discussing trading opportunities from the perspective of a day trader. So let's discuss one by one. So the market is bullish, therefore we will only be discussing trading opportunities from the buyer's perspective. Okay, to understand the levels better, let's switch to the lower time frame. So first and foremost, my dear friends, if you're part of our WhatsApp group, hope you guys made good money because when gold was struggling around this particular zone, okay, we discussed about the possibility of a breakout here. If you're still not a part of our WhatsApp community, okay, you can be a part simply by opening a trading account under our referral and make a deposit and just trade. That's it. No monthly fees. Account opening link is in the description. Okay. Now see, gold closed at a very significant level. We can see gold close around 4603. Why 4603 is significant? Because 4603 or around 4600 or around 4600, okay, the previous resistance is working as support here. And moreover, it's a round number. It's also a psychological support as well. So the market opening is going to be very important or crucial. If there is no news during the weekend, as we all know, Donald Trump, US President Donald Trump is full of surprises. Okay, so okay, stay in touch with the news as well. If nothing happens, then we can expect a normal market opening. If market opens normally, okay, we can expect the market to take support around this area. I will not suggest you to buy at the very first candle, but yes, okay, there is a good chance that market will be taking support around this area. If it does, we can look for a buy position. It may not take support precisely. Okay, you can see market going around 4590, 4595, and then market going up. Means if market respects the zone, market respects the zone, okay, we can look for a buy position because around 4600, okay, we have a good chance if nothing comes out from the US President Donald Trump. Okay, so this is the first level where you can look for a buy position. The second buying opportunity on the chart of gold is around 4570. This line you see here is the second support, means If it doesn't work, okay, the first support of, if first support of 4600 fails, then we have the second support around 4570, 4568. This is the second support where we can look for a buy position. Why? Because market has taken support around here previously, so we are expecting the second support to work as well. So if market drops after the market opening, this is the support we can expect to provide support. If it does, we can go for a buy position here. But yeah, this position is very crucial. Hopefully, if market opens normally, okay, market will try to take support. As a day trader, we can look for a buy position. And ultimately, we have a support around 4535, 4530, the box you see here. And to be honest, chances of market coming to this box or this zone is low. I don't think so that market will come down that heavily. Okay, but still it exists. So this is our first support where market closed. Very important. This is our second support, and this is our third support. In all the levels, we will be looking for buy position only. And right now, the market opening is very important for us. And if market doesn't come down, what is the second probability? Okay, market going up, isn't it? Market will either come down or market go up. That's it. बस यही तो exist करता है. So here, if market doesn't come down after the market opening, okay, we can look for a breakout above 4634. Above this level, we can look for a buy position, because overall we can clearly see the market is breaking the previous high and going up, and the market sentiment is also more or less bullish. I won't say the market is extremely bullish, okay, like the war times, but here more or less the market sentiment is bullish. So we are expecting, okay, a breakout here as well. How much you can expect in a breakout? Initially, you can your TP1 or initial target can be around 100 pips. If you see that breakout has further potential, obviously you can go for 150, 200 pips as well. But initially, okay, it will be safer and better for us to target 100 pips. So this is our breakout buy. Now everything depends on the market opening. Stay in touch with the news as well, because we have seen in the last few months that one news during the weekend changes everything. Okay, so be careful. If anything crazy happens, we may see market falling sharply. Okay, just like a rock. Anything may happen. But as of now, while recording the video, overall the market sentiment is bullish. So whatever we discuss, okay, are from the perspective of a buyer, respecting the ongoing trend of the market. Okay, that's it. And if you want to become a part of our WhatsApp group for regular market updates analysis, feel free to open your trading account under our referral. Link is in the description. After the deposit and verification, just WhatsApp on the number given below. Bye bye.